Hello, it's Teacher Allan here. This video is for the benefit of Grade 9 IGCSE Geography students. Alright, today I want to look at tectonic hazards. What's that? Well, tectonics is a study of the plates of continental crust and oceanic crust, which makes up the Earth's crust of this planet. Okay. Oceanic crust is thinner than continental crust. But even though it's thinner, it could still be up to 100 kilometers thick. Right? Now, the plates move in relation to each other due to the convection currents from deep within the Earth. Convection currents of magma, the hot magma within the Earth. Okay. Gravitational pull may also play a part in these currents. At a constructive margin, the plates move apart. Magma is forced up through the gap and makes new crust. Right. At the destructive margin, plates are moving towards each other and one plate will go under the other plate. That's called subduction. That is a destructive margin. The plate becomes smaller. So, while there are plates crashing into each other, in some areas, in others, there are plates moving apart. The ones that are moving apart are constructive margins, where magma is forced up into the center, and destructive margins are where they're coming together, and one is forced under the other. Okay. What about volcanoes? Volcanoes are linked to this. Where's the main distribution of volcanoes? If you look at a distribution map of volcanoes, you'll find they are on the margins of plates. There is a huge area in the Pacific where there are many volcanoes all around the Pacific Ocean. This is called the Ring of Fire. Volcanoes are formed over many, many years, usually formed by a series of eruptions. Like earthquakes, the majority of volcanoes occur in long belts following the plate margins. There's also a belt of volcanoes through the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. This is a constructive margin. This is where two plates are moving apart, causing the mid-Atlantic rift. It includes the islands of the Azores and of Iceland. These are volcanic islands formed from the constructive margin. Why is there a pattern of volcanoes? Well, volcanoes are fed by hot molten rock called magma from deep within the Earth. This rises to the surface at a constructive or a destructive margin. Volcanoes also form at hotspots where the crust is thin and the magma is able to break through to the surface. The Hawaiian Islands in the Pacific Ocean are a good example of a hotspot. We'll look at more later. Alright, thank you, bye-bye.